Top 10 life-changing foods that unclog arteries and dissolve blood clots instantly. Introduction. Your heart health has never been more important. Nowadays, many people face serious risks like artery blockages and blood clots. But what if we told you there are miraculous foods, likely already in your kitchen, that can combat these risks? Today, we're sharing 10 surprising foods that not only unclog your arteries and dissolve blood clots, but have also gone viral on social media. Some of these foods you may have never heard of before, but they can truly change your life and boost your health. Let's dive into these life-saving superfoods. 1. Turmeric, nature's miracle. Benefit. Turmeric contains curcumin, a powerful antioxidant that fights inflammation and protects blood vessels. It also helps break down blood clots and keeps your arteries clear. How to use. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric to your morning smoothies or soups. Or prepare a healing golden milk to start your day with energy. 2. Ginger, nature's blood thinner. Benefit. Ginger acts as a natural blood thinner, preventing clot formation and relaxing your blood vessels. It also protects your body from inflammation. How to use. Add fresh ginger to your morning tea or sprinkle 1 teaspoon of ginger powder into your meals. Fresh ginger slices can also make a great snack. 3. Green tea, antioxidant powerhouse. Benefit. Green tea is rich in catechins, which prevent arterial blockages and improve blood flow. Its antioxidant power helps protect heart health. How to use. Drink 2 to 3 cups of freshly brewed green tea daily for a magical touch to your arteries. It's a refreshing and healthy way to energize yourself. 4. Pomegranate, the blood cleanser. Benefit. Pomegranate contains potent antioxidants that increase blood flow in your arteries and reduce the risk of clots. It also strengthens and cleanses your vessels. How to use. Drink 1 glass of freshly squeezed pomegranate juice a day or add pomegranate seeds to your salads. It's both delicious and packed with healing power. 5. Garlic, the natural blood pressure reducer. Benefit. Garlic dilates your blood vessels, allowing blood to flow freely and preventing clot formation. It also lowers bad cholesterol. How to use. Eat 1 clove of raw garlic on an empty stomach each day or add it to your meals. The superpower of garlic will be with you in every meal. 6. Salmon, the heart's best friend. Benefit. Salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which prevent arterial blockages and protect your heart. It strengthens blood vessels and keeps them young. How to use. Eat salmon 2 to 3 times a week. Grill or bake it for a healthy and delicious meal that will nourish your heart. 7. Spinach, the vessel rejuvenator. Benefit. Spinach is packed with folic acid and nitrates, which promote blood vessel dilation and speed up blood flow, reducing the risk of clots. How to use. Add raw spinach to your salads or lightly steam it. Just 1 serving of spinach a day acts as a youth elixir for your arteries. 8. Flax seeds, omega-3 powerhouse. Benefit. Flax seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which improve blood circulation and prevent clot formation. They help protect against artery blockage. How to use. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of ground flax seeds to your smoothies, yogurt, or oatmeal. Grinding the seeds enhances their nutrient-packed punch. 9. Avocado, king of healthy fats. Benefit. Avocados are loaded with healthy fats and potassium, which regulate blood pressure and keep your arteries clean and free from blockages. How to use. Add half an avocado to your salads, toast, or smoothies daily. It's a creamy and delicious way to boost your health. 10. Dark chocolate, sweet but healthy. Benefit. High cocoa dark chocolate contains flavonoids that improve blood vessel health, lower blood pressure, and help blood flow smoothly. How to use. Enjoy 1 to 2 small squares of dark chocolate, 70% cocoa or higher daily. It's a heart-friendly way to satisfy your sweet cravings. Including these foods regularly in your diet can significantly improve your arterial health and enhance your overall quality of life. By incorporating these miracle foods, you're not only investing in your health, but also giving your body the care it deserves. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like the video, and leave a comment below. Let's journey together toward a healthier life.